Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall do some English grammar set questions for 10th class. Right? So we have already discussed 10 sets. Today we shall discuss set number 11. So today's set begins with question number 1. Rewrite the following sentences as per the instructions given in brackets. Number 1. Probably they will or are going to leave this place soon. Fill in the blank choosing the correct alternative given in bracket. Bracket दिया କରିବା तो right answer is will. Here right answer is will. Could understand? Okay. Next one is fill in the blank choosing the correct. Okay. Time flies very fast. Turn into an exclamatory sentence. Turn into an exclamatory sentence. So very ଟା କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲି instead of while doing exclamatory sentence we generally use how instead of very and what instead of a very. Here a very is given, so first we will remove what? We will remove very, instead of it we will write how. First flies is verb is this fly is the verb, we shall divide here. Could understand? Yes, divided. Now we got two portions, how first and time plus. Time plus first portion, how first second portion. We will take the first part to the first position and the first part to the second position, and you will get the answer. So let's do it. How fast, F-A-S-T, fast. Next time, T-I-M-E, time, flies, F-L-I-E-S, flies. Which mark? Exclamatory mark. That's all. Okay, it's done. Next one is I asked the boy. Complete the sentence using a noun clause. I asked the boy where he was going. ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି ଯେ ସେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛି. Just do it. I asked the boy ହେଲା what he was doing. देख व्हाट क्लास लिखिदेली बॉय पर अच्छी, सो इट इज नाउन क्लास. नो प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन राइट हाँ. और हाउ ओल्ड ही वाज, राइट, एनी वन. नेक्स्ट कंप्लीट दैट यूजिंग नाउन. इफ यू कॉट if class, this is if class, it's a past tense. If you caught the 9 o'clock train, you dash there by lunch. So it କ'ଣ ହେବ ନା, it is not a general truth or universal truth, so we will use shall will. In if class it is in the past tense, so we shall use would. So you would get, so would or could get, right? Would or could get. We can would, 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 right? Would or could, could there by lunch time, right? Put the verb in the brackets, in bracket, that is not brackets, into its correct form. I remember, what did I say? I remember to meeting her at a party last year. So meeting is the correct. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଖା କରିଥିବାର ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁଛି. ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଖା କରିଥିବାର ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁଛି, ହେଲେ କରିଛି ଟୁ ମିଟ୍ ବୋଲି ଦେଖା କରିବି. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ଦେଖା କରିବି ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁଛି, ଏମିତି କହିବ ପୁରା ପାଷ୍ଟଟା. ଏଣୁକରି ମିଟିଂ ଇଜ୍ ଦି କରେକ୍ଟ. ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ଆଇ ସେ? ମିଟିଂ ଇଜ୍ ଦି କରେକ୍ଟ alternative. Next one is just 1 minute. Yes, yes, this one. Put your hand here. Rewrite the following sentence as per the instruction given in the bracket. Who saved this the bird? Turn into passive voice. ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିଥିଲେ? first we will find out the verb. This is saved is the verb. Saved is the verb. Saved. Ed lagitio, ing lagitio. The words ending with ed and ing are generally known as verbs. जोटा ed लगी ing लगी से गुड़ा साधारणतः verb. So here it is a verb. Saved in the past tense. That means did is inside it. आ भीतर did अच्छी. We will remove did बाहर करवा and add it with b सहित did मिसले what हब what will no b ର ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ରୂପ ଅଛି ପରା ହଁ was right was where so we shall say the bird is singular it will become subject so verb will be was the bird will go to the first position yes the bird bird this is and was saved 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 next by whom क्वेश्चन मार्क किंतु कौन है आम जेहेतु क्वेश्चन पैटर्न अच्छी प्रथम WH वार्डटा रखा राइट आम करदे बट पछे रही WH वार्ड आग रखा क्वेश्चन पैटर्न WH वार्ड हुम और हु आम हुम रखानी और बाई हुमटा ना नहीं जो हो बाई हुम तापर हेल्पिंग वर्ब रखी दियो वाज WH वाज तापर ऑब्जेक्ट दी सब्जेक्ट दी बार्ड BIRD बार्ड बाई हुम दी बार्ड हैला सेव्ड ओके क्वेश्चन मार्क or we can write who was the bird 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 saved by question mark okay done by whom was the bird saved or who was the bird saved by both are correct could understand मन रहला next one is turn into passive voice next one is turn in rahila or it's done some wicked man robbed me of my gold robbed me of it's a preposition is rob le डकैत करी मोर सुना रूपा नहीं गला this is the right preposition is of fill in the blank with an appropriate preposition. The headmaster rejected all the requests made to him. Rejected means प्रत्याख्यान करिया और phrasal verb replace the underlined word with a phrasal verb. It's a phrasal verb is turned down. Could understand? Turned down. DOWN down. Okay. Next. He said to me, can you come to our house on Sunday? Question yes no question. We will use if or whether instead of inverted comma. Let's remove inverted comma. Yes, if.
He asked.
नहीं कैनेडा से कने जीवरी यूटा कने आसीबो इनवर्स बिल इनवर्स so हाँ said will be asked okay said to will be asked right he asked me से मते पचाला if I could do can will become could you will become I sorry I could do COULD could do if I could come to hela his house our not our his house on Sunday let's remove inverted comma and also question mark then put to full stop he asked me hela if whether I could come or go to their house our his house on Sunday that is not his our their 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 house right on Sunday next one is called not only Harish but also his brothers. I कहला not only but also if coordinators are used, coordinators are like not only but also either or neither or both hand. Any one of is used in a sentence, the verb will agree with this second subject. So here not only first subject Harish but also second subject his brothers. So the verb will agree with the second subject that is his brothers. The bhai mane, you know plural. So the verb will be is or are, which is correct? This is plural. So verb is
E.
no, is singular.
O. R.
R is right. Right. Next, do as a director. He is sitting it dash my left. He is sitting on my left. The correct preposition is on my left. On my left. More Bama Parshur Bashi. It is clear that he is honest. So, may mention the yes, that he is honest. This is the noun clause. That he is honest is the noun clause. Okay. Next, they studied hard although they were tired. Pick out the adverb clause. So adverb lagichi. The ଯେତେ ସବୁ adverb ମୁଁ list ତମକୁ ଦେଇଦେଇଛି. ଏବେ look at the blackboard. So adverb although is used. So adverb clause is this is the adverb clause. Although they were tired is the adverb clause here. Next, English is spoken all over the world. Change into active voice. The old tada पचाची. तो आम देखिए spoken. This is the verb. है this is a main verb. This is helping verb. This is object in subject position. And by agent is omitted. So किए कहूँ लोक माने तो people speak English all over the world. The right answer is okay. Right answer is people P-E-O-P-L people speak English English all over the world. All over the world. W-O-R-L-D. World. Full stop. The next one is the teacher asked me if I had done my homework. In direct speech kariya kochi. So if we will remove if first instead of it usually use comma, inverted comma. Okay. If I had the teacher said to me, will become asked will become said to me. Said to me. Oh, it's already there. So me, if have you done had it agu paleva? ID palesya. So have you done your homework? Mine will become your home. तमें तमरा शिक्षक मत पचारे जे मु मोर घर काम कर शिक्षक पचारे तू तोर घर काम तोर घर काम करचु कि हैव यू डन योर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन मार्क देन वर्क डब्ल्यूएच तो क्वेश्चन मार्क देन इन्वर्टेड comma. Okay, done. With this, that is the end of today's English grammar set class. We shall discuss the other sets in the next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.